like doodle art, so here's an idea if you'd like to make a pumpkin card for someone. This is just a gel pen, but if you would like to use a Sharpie marker, fine tip, then you could put color on this without it bleeding or spreading in any way. You can see how I folded it into fourths. Just a regular piece of paper. You're going to want to make the sections. And remember, you can pause at any moment. And just keep drawing, my friends. Find all sorts of patterns and doodles that you can put in each section. Have fun. For more tutorials, see my YouTube channel @Art with Ms. Debbie.